Have you ever wondered if Allah is about to change your life? Have you been making dua for months or even years, yet nothing seems to be happening? Perhaps you're carrying burdens that no one else knows about, silently asking Allah for relief, guidance, and a breakthrough. If that sounds like you, then don't lose hope. Sometimes, before Allah changes your situation, He begins by changing your heart, your mindset, and your relationship with Him. When life feels heavy, it is natural to think that nothing is changing. You may still be facing financial struggles, family problems, emotional pain, or unanswered prayers. Yet one of the greatest signs that good times are coming is not that your circumstances suddenly improve, but that your heart begins to experience a peace that cannot be explained by the world around you. This peace is a special gift from Allah. It is the kind of calm that allows you to sleep despite your worries, smile despite your hardships, and continue making dua even when you have not yet seen the answer. This inner tranquility is often a sign that Allah is strengthening your faith before He changes your situation. The believer understands that true peace does not come from money, status, or comfort. It comes from knowing that Allah is Al-Wakil, the best trustee, and that every event in life is under His perfect control. When you begin to accept Allah's decree with patience instead of constant anxiety, you are growing spiritually. You no longer allow fear to dominate your heart, because you know that whatever Allah has written for you will reach you at the perfect time. This trust is not weakness. It is one of the strongest qualities a believer can possess. Many people think that happiness only arrives after every problem disappears, but Islam teaches something much deeper. A heart connected to Allah can remain peaceful even during the greatest tests. This is why some believers go through immense hardships yet continue to praise Allah with sincerity. They understand that every delay has wisdom. Every trial carries hidden mercy. And every moment of patience earns an immense reward. They realize that Allah is preparing something far greater than what they can currently see. When your relationship with Allah becomes stronger, your perspective on difficulties also changes. Instead of asking why life is unfair, you begin asking how this challenge can bring you closer to your Creator. Every prayer becomes more sincere. Every act of worship becomes more meaningful, and every moment of remembrance fills the heart with hope. Even if your eyes cannot yet see the blessing, your heart starts believing that Allah's promise is true. That confidence removes much of the fear that once controlled your thoughts. Remember that Allah never abandons those who place their trust in Him. The calmness growing inside your heart may be the first indication that He is preparing you for blessings beyond your imagination. Sometimes Allah changes your heart before He changes your circumstances, because a peaceful heart is ready to receive His greatest gifts with gratitude, humility, and unwavering faith. Many people pray for an easy life, but Allah often chooses to give His sincere servants something even greater: a stronger heart, deeper faith, and wiser character. One of the clearest signs that good times are coming is when your hardships begin teaching you valuable lessons, instead of completely breaking your spirit. The same trials that once filled your heart with fear slowly become opportunities for growth, patience, and a stronger connection with Allah. This transformation does not happen overnight. It is built through countless moments of perseverance, sincere dua, and trust in Allah's perfect wisdom. In the beginning of every test, it is normal to feel confused and overwhelmed. You may ask yourself why certain doors have closed, why your plans failed, or why your prayers seem delayed. These questions arise because we naturally want immediate answers. However, Allah's plan is always based on knowledge that goes far beyond what we can understand. What appears to be a setback today may actually be protecting you from a greater hardship, or preparing you for a blessing that requires more patience and maturity. As time passes, you begin noticing changes within yourself. Challenges that once made you panic now make you turn to Allah first. Instead of relying only on your own strength, you learn to depend upon your Creator. Your prayers become more heartfelt, your gratitude becomes more genuine, and your patience grows stronger with every difficulty you overcome. This is one of the greatest victories a believer can achieve, because true success begins with strengthening the soul before improving worldly conditions. Hardships also reveal your hidden strengths. You discover courage you never knew you possessed, patience you never thought you could develop, and resilience that only Allah could place within your heart. Every obstacle teaches you something valuable about yourself and about your relationship with your Lord. You become more compassionate toward others who are struggling because you understand what pain feels like. You become more humble because you realize that every blessing comes only from Allah. These qualities are treasures that cannot be bought with wealth or achieved without sincere faith. Allah never allows the patience of a believer to go unrewarded. Every tear shed in private, every sincere supplication raised in the darkness of the night, every moment you resisted despair, and every act of worship performed despite your struggles is known to Him. Nothing escapes His knowledge. Even when people fail to recognize your sacrifices, Allah records every effort with perfect justice and mercy. Eventually, you realize that your greatest test became your greatest teacher. It brought you closer to Allah, purified your heart, strengthened your character, and prepared you for blessings you could not have handled before. The pain that once seemed unbearable becomes part of the story that reminds you of Allah's mercy and guidance. When hardship begins producing wisdom instead of hopelessness, it is often a beautiful sign that Allah is preparing your heart for better days ahead. One of the most encouraging signs that good times are coming is when Allah begins opening doors you never expected. Sometimes you spend months or even years trying to force one path to work, only to watch it close repeatedly. It can be frustrating, and you may wonder if your efforts are being wasted. But Allah, in His infinite wisdom, often closes certain doors because He is preparing better ones that you cannot yet see. What feels like rejection today may actually be divine protection, guiding you towards something far greater than your own plans. Unexpected opportunities are among Allah's most beautiful gifts. A new job offer, a beneficial friendship, a chance to learn a valuable skill, an opportunity to serve others, or a solution to a problem that seemed impossible can appear when you least expect it. These moments remind us that Allah's provision is not limited by our circumstances. He is capable of creating opportunities from places we never imagined. What seems impossible to us is always easy for Allah. The believer understands that success is not simply about luck or perfect timing. It is the result of Allah's mercy combined with sincere effort. While trusting Allah completely, you must also continue working hard, improving yourself, making dua, and remaining patient. Tawakkul does not mean waiting without action. It means doing everything within your ability while believing that Allah alone controls the outcome. Every honest effort you make is an act of worship when it is done for His sake. As these opportunities begin appearing, they may not look impressive at first. A small conversation may lead to a life-changing relationship. A simple act of kindness may bring unexpected blessings. A minor opportunity that others ignore could become the doorway to your future success. This is why believers never underestimate the small blessings Allah places in their path. They understand that great achievements often begin with small, sincere steps taken with faith and gratitude. At the same time, Allah may remove certain people, habits, or situations from your life. Although this can feel painful, it is often part of His mercy. Not every closed door is a loss. Sometimes Allah removes distractions, harmful relationships, or unhealthy attachments to make room for something much better. Looking back, many believers realize that the things they once begged Allah to keep were actually preventing them from reaching greater blessings. When Allah begins creating new possibilities in your life, remain humble and grateful. Do not allow success to make you forget the one who opened every door. Continue making sincere dua. Seek halal means in everything you do, and remember that every opportunity is a trust from Allah. The more grateful you become, the more your heart recognizes His blessings, and the more confident you grow that His promises are always true. Often, the unexpected opportunities appearing in your life are not random events. They are signs that Allah is leading you toward a future filled with greater mercy, purpose, and lasting goodness. One of the greatest signs that good times are coming is when you feel a sincere desire to become closer to Allah. Before He changes your circumstances, Allah often begins by changing your heart. You suddenly feel motivated to pray on time, recite the Quran more regularly, remember Allah throughout the day, seek forgiveness for your mistakes, and avoid actions that distance you from Him. This spiritual awakening is one of the most precious gifts a believer can receive because it is a sign that Allah is guiding your heart toward what is truly beneficial. While many people focus only on worldly success, the believer understands that the greatest blessing is to earn the pleasure of Allah. This change may happen quietly. No one else may notice it, but you begin noticing that your heart no longer finds comfort in the things that once distracted you. Instead of spending all your time chasing temporary pleasures, you begin searching for lasting peace through worship. You look forward to making dua, feel comfort while listening to the Quran, and experience relief after every sincere salah. These feelings are not ordinary. They are signs that Allah is drawing you closer to Him through His mercy and guidance. Sometimes Allah allows a person to experience hardship, so that they return to Him with complete sincerity. During times of ease, it is easy to become distracted by worldly goals and forget the one who provides every blessing. But when difficulties arise, the believer realizes that true security can only be found with Allah. Every test becomes a reminder to strengthen faith, increase patience, and depend on the Creator rather than the creation. This renewed connection with Allah often becomes the beginning of a completely different chapter in life. As your relationship with Allah grows stronger, you also begin noticing positive changes in your character. You become more patient with people, more forgiving of their mistakes, and more grateful for the blessings you already possess. Instead of constantly comparing yourself to others, you become content with Allah's decree. You stop measuring success only by wealth or status and begin measuring it by your obedience to Allah and the peace within your heart. This change in perspective is a blessing that no amount of money can purchase. Drawing closer to Allah also brings clarity. Decisions become easier because you seek guidance through prayer and sincere supplication. Worries become lighter because you remember that Allah is the best planner. Fear of the future decreases because you trust that whatever Allah chooses for you is better than anything you could choose for yourself. This confidence allows you to move forward with hope instead of anxiety, knowing that your life is in the hands of the Most Merciful. The more you increase your worship, the more blessings begin to enter your life in ways you may not immediately recognize. Sometimes, Allah grants visible blessings such as improved health, better opportunities, or financial ease. At other times, He blesses you with contentment, wisdom, strong faith, righteous companionship, and protection from unseen harm. These blessings are often far more valuable because they remain with you long after worldly possessions disappear. Never underestimate the importance of taking small steps toward Allah. A sincere prayer, a heartfelt repentance, a few moments of daily Quran recitation, or regular remembrance of Allah can transform your life over time. Allah loves consistency, even if the deeds are small. Every act of worship strengthens your connection with Him and prepares your heart to receive His mercy. When you find yourself naturally wanting to obey Allah more than before, consider it one of the most beautiful signs that He is preparing you not only for better days in this world, but, more importantly, for everlasting success in the hereafter.